Let me break the word ransomware in two parts, ransom and ware. Ransom means release of something important to you in return for payment of asking money or price or money paid for such release. Ware is basically an object or stuff that is malicious. Ransomware is a malicious crimeware or a software that infects and restricts the access to data system until a ransom is paid. If the ransom is not paid, critical data is deleted. Now let me give you some of the live examples. Your computer was used to visit an illegal content. To unblock and unlock your computer, you must pay $500 in fine in Bitcoin immediately. Second, you only have 72 hours to submit the payment. If you do not send the money within the provided time, all your files would be permanently encrypted and no one will be able to recover them. Now let me just highlight the rock solid fact. Just by paying ransom does not offer guarantee of recovery of data. They may ask you to pay more. Many people have never been able to recover their data even after the ransom was paid. Victims who fall prey to them are re-attacked. If you pay them, you are the part of cyber terrorism network. You are funding their criminal activity. Now suggested tips to protect your sensitive and critical data. Cyber criminals often trick users to disclose password or click on a virus-prone email links or an attachments. Educate your peers and people not to do this. Implement spam filter like sender policy framework, domain key identified email, popularly known as DKIM, and domain message authentication reporting and confirmation, popularly known as DMARC, to scan and protect your organization from a spoofed ransomware attack. Apply principle of least privileges and follow it meticulously. Always configure the firewall to detect suspicious attachment with a malicious IP address. Disable remote desktop protocol known as RDP if not required. Disable macros from MS Office files transmitted via email. Whitelist application and let them only if it is within the framework of the security policies. Backup the data, crucial information regularly. Ensure that there is no continuous disconnection, or there is always a connection which is established and directly linked to network computers. Conduct a pen test or penetration testing and information security audit. Power off the device and system when not in use to prevent data loss and isolate them from the network.